will say, just for a disclaimer, I do a lot of things on my Tacoma for the practicality. Now I know a lot of people buy the skid plate for off-roading and the extra protection it offers underneath. And some people buy it for the looks because, you know, the TRD and the fancy powder-coated aluminum. But I mainly bought it for this, to get to my oil filter. We're gonna take off this bottom plastic piece here. Also, I took off my license plate, so don't mind that, but we're gonna take off this bottom plastic piece, but it's just these bolts along the front here, and I believe there is 2 on the back side that hold it on. They're so loose. Not sure that's a good thing, but that might be just from gravel roads and whatnot and things loosening. There's 2 more bolts holding this plastic trim piece on. I'm gonna take those off. Oh. Yep. You can see we got this half off. It was just 2 bolts on the inside. And now I gotta take the 2 bolts off on the inside on this side, and then that piece will be off. So to take the skid plate off, it should be 4 bolts. Here she comes. There you can see it off. You can see all my rust. It's not even that old yet, but it's inevitable. Okay, so you're gonna remove a total of 4 bolts to put this on. Here, the bolts already on there with the hardware. So they're in these channels here, as you can see. You're gonna remove the left bolt here. There's 2 bolts back there. You're gonna remove not this first one, but the second one in the back. And then on this side, only 1 bolt in the channel. So you're gonna remove this guy. And then again in the back, there's 2 bolts. So not the first one, but the second one back here. So I broke this one loose already. This one loose already. Let's break the back 2 loose. Now, folks, here comes the hard part. I'm gonna try and lift this up there myself while I get the bolt started. They recommended that you did not do this or use a floor jack because it is very heavy, or you have a friend, but I think I'm gonna just try and beef it up there myself. If it falls on me, you're the witness. can see the finished product. I think it looks pretty darn good, honestly. It is definitely more open in the front now without this trim piece coming down, but I don't think it looks too bad.